Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and let me show you how to enable TalkBack mode on this device. So now we've got this mode on and this is the best situation to show you how to navigate. First of all, let's open the list of apps and do it the same way how you do it without this mode on. Simply swipe up and as you can see we are in the list of apps. What's more, if you want to let the screen reader read something, then simply use the pencil and only point in the direction of the thing you want to read aloud. So for example, if you want to read the settings, just point the pencil on it. Remember, do not touch the screen because you will enter the settings actually. So as you can hear, the screen reader is talking something about the settings. What's more, you can do it, for example, on the clock, the same situation, simply direct and point the pencil on it, do not touch the screen. Okay, so now let me show you how to turn off this mode. Simply get into the settings. Swiping is the same, just like with this mode off. Go to the accessibility, click on screen reader, tap on the voice assistant right here and click on turn off. And as you can hear, the voice assistant is off. What's more, you can customize this mode, simply get into the settings and here, as you can see, we've got a lot of options. For example, we can manage custom labels or we can decide what volume the sound feedback will be. So it's up to you how you want to set it. So that's all. This is how to enable TalkBack mode in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.